Hello everyone, this is Chris with Sticker Fab, and this is our 2025 Toyota 4Runner. Today I just wanted to do a quick video installing door cup protectors on this vehicle. On this one I have clear PPF, and I didn't see that there were actually bubbles on there when the install was done, so I actually waited a week before all those bubbles dried out. Of course, door cup protectors are so when people get in the vehicle, they don't actually scrape the paint right in that area, especially if you've been off-roading or doing something where your hands are dirty. Very easy to do that. And you might be careful about your door handles. However, some of your passengers may not be. So we have clear on the back, and we have 3D carbon right here, which is really durable material. PPF is probably the easiest to install just because it flexes really well. And then 3D carbon being the second most durable. It stretches really well, and it also has air egress channels so that air doesn't get stuck behind it. Now, I do recommend doing a wet install for these. I did it in matte black, and I'll show the install in matte black because it is probably the most difficult material to install on these, just because you have to stretch out the material and you have to be really patient or it will crease. But I got a crease-free install done right there. All right, it's raining out here, so I'm going to try to get this done quickly. Of course, you want this area to be clean. You want it to be probably 80 degrees or warmer. I would still do it in the shade because that vinyl will stretch out like crazy if you do not do it in the shade. Could you hold this with your other hand? All right, I'm spraying that area with our application fluid. I'm spraying the back of this vinyl as well. Get it on your fingers so you don't transfer fingerprints over. All right, so first thing you want to do is kind of even it out from left to right and top to bottom. And then you'll start pushing kind of right in the middle. Can you show top down maybe? All right, so I want to start getting some of the liquid out or it's just going to keep on sliding. So I'm going to go like that and just run it through the middle. Now I'm going to go up top through the middle. Try to get just a little of that liquid out, but I got to be careful. I got to go slow, and I'm not going to push too hard in the beginning because I want to give this vinyl a home. It has to stretch over this painted area, and it's going to want to crease up as you do more and more of it. So I'm kind of pushing outwards to the edges and kind of just feeling for how it's reacting to what I'm doing. Making sure that it doesn't crease. Work one area and then work another area. Like I said, this is the hardest option that we have. I'll just hold this down with one hand. Use my fingers to stretch it. Of course, I need this to dry out a little bit as well, or it's not gonna stick. If you get to an area where you feel like it's just going to crease, go ahead and pull it up. And then stretch it over that area. So I'm just applying a little bit of heat. You don't want to go crazy with that. But as you can see, pretty much smoothed out the areas pretty quickly with that heat. Now you have to be careful. You don't want to create creases. Make sure you're stretching that vinyl. Right now I am a little bit concerned about this part right here. Looks like a crease is about to develop. So I'll pull that corner back out instead of pushing down through there. Apply a little bit of heat. push all of that liquid out. There we go. Again, the other materials are a lot easier to install. If you really want this matte black look, this is what you have to do. If you want something that's going to protect it a little bit more, go for the clear PPF or the 3D carbon fiber. All right, let me give you a final look of the vehicle with that installed. Of course, this is an underground 4Runner, underground color. It's this dark gray, and then you have that matte black right there, matte black right there. Obviously, on lighter vehicles, it will make a much bigger contrast. And of course, that might blend in really well with the rest of the OEM components since there is so much black plastic on this vehicle. You can find these at stickerfab.com. Please like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit the bell notification icon for the latest and greatest things I'm coming out with for the 2025 and up Toyota 4Runner.